Did you know gardening can have a profound impact on your mental health? It's not just a hobby or a way to beautify your surroundings, but a therapeutic exercise that's been proven to boost mood, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. Let's take a moment to cultivate this idea. Picture yourself tending to a garden, your hands in the soil, nurturing life from a tiny seed. There's a sense of accomplishment in this, a connection to the earth that grounds us in the present moment. But hold on, what if you don't have a yard? No worries. The joy of gardening is not confined to wide open spaces. Houseplants are a fantastic alternative, bringing a piece of nature indoors, making your living space more vibrant and air cleaner. So, whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a budding gardener, there's a world of mental health benefits waiting to be unearthed. Stay tuned to delve into the science behind why gardening is so beneficial for our minds. Now, let's explore the science behind why gardening is so good for our mental health. You might be surprised to learn that getting your hands dirty in the garden can actually make you happier. This is because contact with soil and specific types of soil bacteria can boost levels of serotonin, our happiness hormone. These friendly microorganisms increase the release and metabolism of serotonin in parts of the brain that control our mood. So, in essence, gardening could be considered a natural antidepressant. In addition to this serotonin boost, gardening also triggers the release of dopamine, our reward hormone. This happens when we harvest products from the garden, a primal action that our brains recognize and reward. This reward system can lead to the creation of a positive feedback loop, where gardening leads to a dopamine release, which in turn makes us want to continue gardening. It's a win-win situation for our mental health, but the benefits don't stop there. Gardening is a form of exercise, and like all forms of physical activity, it can help reduce stress and anxiety. The rhythmic nature of many gardening tasks, like digging or weeding, can promote a state of mindfulness, a mental state where you focus on the present moment without judgment. This mindfulness can lead to a reduction in feelings of stress and anxiety, creating a sense of calm and relaxation. What's more, gardening provides tangible results. Whether it's a blooming flower, a ripe tomato, or a lush houseplant, these living items serve as a reminder of our efforts and nurture our sense of accomplishment. This can be particularly beneficial for our self-esteem and self-worth. And for those of you living in apartments or with limited outdoor space, don't worry. These benefits extend to houseplants as well. Caring for houseplants can offer the same psychological and physiological benefits, providing a sense of purpose, reducing stress, and improving mood. Isn't it fascinating how such a simple activity can have such a profound impact on our mental health? So, what have we learned about the mental health benefits of gardening? Well, quite a bit. For starters, the simple act of tending to plants can trigger the release of feel-good chemicals, like serotonin and dopamine in our brain. This not only uplifts our mood, but also helps alleviate stress, making gardening an effective, natural stress reliever. Moreover, there's that rewarding sense of accomplishment that comes from seeing a seed you've sown grow into a beautiful plant. It's a visual reminder of your hard work and patience, and it's incredibly fulfilling. And let's not forget our friends without outdoor gardens. The good news is you can reap these benefits right in the comfort of your home with houseplants. These green friends can transform your indoor space into a tranquil sanctuary and give your mental well-being a boost. Remember, every plant you nurture is also nurturing you. So, why not give gardening or houseplants a try? Don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening videos about plants and their care. Happy gardening.